Hello, welcome back. We want to look at this example on law of conservation of momentum. We have this example that we want to solve using this formula, under law of conservation of momentum. A bullet of mass is 0.01 kilogram is fired into and gets embedded in a stationary block of wood of mass 10 kilogram. In this case, you have your M1 is 0.01 kilogram. Your first mass is fired into and gets embedded into a stationary block of wood of mass 10 kilogram. M2 is 10 kilogram. If the bullet and the wood move freely with a velocity of 50 centimeters per second, that's a common velocity now, V, is equal to 50 centimeters per second. What is the initial velocity of the bullet? That's U1 is question. So you have U1 is what we are looking for. Then what's our U2? Initial velocity of the second body. Now, because a bullet of mass this is fired into and gets embedded in the stationary block, since the block is stationary, it shows that its initial velocity is 0. If you recall from equation of motion, when a body is at rest, its initial velocity is taken as 0 meter per second. Since the block of wood is stationary, it means that its initial velocity is 0 centimeter per second. But this velocity is also given to us in centimeter per second. So I don't need to convert it because what I'm looking for is initial velocity. It will only just be in centimeter per second. Now and this one, the two bodies, they have the same common velocity. Why? Because the bullet is embedded in the stationary object. If the bullet and the wood move freely now, after the bullet is being embedded in the stationary block of wood, they move freely. That means they have the same common velocity. Like this is what we are going to use now. That was what I was saying in the previous class. So we substitute our value here because the two bodies move freely with the same common velocity. But if they did not move with the same common velocity, we are going to use this. But because they are moving now with the same common velocity, because the bullet is embedded in the block of wood, then they have the same common velocity. Then using this one, you have M1U1 plus M2U2 is equal to M1 plus M2 into bracket V. M1 is 0.01, U1 is what we are looking for, plus M2 is 10, then U2 is 0. Then into bracket is 0.01 plus 10, then common velocity is 50. This will give me 0.01 U1 plus this is 0 is equal to 10.01 times 50. This plus this, then times this 50. This plus this will give me 0.01 U1 is equal to 10.01 times 50. That will give me 500.5. Divide both sides by this now, by 0.01. Then my U1 will be 500.5 divided by 0.01. And my U1 will be 500.5 divided by 0.01. And that will give me 50 point. So this will give me 50,050 centimeters per second. So the initial velocity of the first body is 50,050 centimeters per second. So this is one example of how to apply law of conservation of momentum formula in solving questions. More examples are still coming, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Maths with Chris, Physics with Chris, and Chemistry with Chris for more exciting topics on maths, further maths, physics, and chemistry. Bye.